Well, sir, here we are, Universal Studios Hollywood, the birthplace where we come in. I know. So, where are we going first? The roller coaster or one of those swirl rides? We're not going any rides. Oh, come on, just this once. We're on official business. And speaking of which, any sign of the other commando elites? No, sir. All we can detect is Kip Killigan, but he's nowhere to be found. At least not yet, sir. But others, Butch and Link, no sign of them. Crap. All we found instead are the gorgonites, but yet only one is missing and the other is nowhere. Well, it doesn't matter. But we're gonna have to split up. Why is that, sir? Because we're still outnumbered. Oh, he's right. Without Butch and Link, it's up, and yet Kip, we're on our own. I hate playing a third stooge. Come on, let's get to work and see what this is about. But after that, let's split up. Here we are. Is this where we'll find Punch It? Hopefully Slam Fist. Alright, because I really need a wheelchair. I feel kind of drowsy. You know what I think? I think we should keep our heads down for a minute and get our legs up for a while. Why is that? Because the reason I want to go to Universal is to find Punch It. I want to date with that pink Smurfette over there because she's my favorite. Really. Because old Jokey over here is coming to grab her toes and lift it up. You look more like clumsy than Jokey. No, I'm not. You are when you misplace my body parts and I barely got everything all in one piece. Okay, that's enough. We're gonna have to split up to find Punch It somewhere in this theme park. I'll go with Slam Fist, and Saniac, you're with Troclicon. Sure thing, Chief. Hopefully, everything goes as planned.
It's such a treat to watch.
Well, no sign of Punch It here.
Is that those who have seen and
A
loved
friend of yours, Slam Fist. He looks just like me, but I wish I had my other hand. And yet I don't look different either. One thing missing is my hair and my horns. And yet you don't wear boots. No, I don't. Oh, look, dragons. Very scaling, I must confess. So now what? Let's move along. Oh, you're moving all right with me. Brick bazooka here. Well, if it isn't my arch muscle, Slammy, if I do say so myself. All right, time to boon, because I see a list of gorgonites around me, and I'll take care of you later. They're not gorgonites. Wanna bet? Slam Fist, neutralize him. All right. Disgusting little mugrats. All right, this time I'm taking this personal. I'm gonna take it off for a bowling ball. Hang on, Slam. What the? Oh, come on! That's cheating! All right, that's it. Here, catch a gorgonite. No! How dare you? You nearly endangered an innocent creature. And it could have been Ocula. Oh, really? Don't worry, Ultra. I'll stop Brick. Oh, really? All right, fun's over. One more step and off with his head. I think not. Ultra, there might be more commandos than Brick. I know. Insaniac, Troclicon, what's your status? Not much. We have another situation of our own. What's that? You don't want to know. We'll neutralize whoever you're after. This time I'm gonna rip your other head apart. Don't take things personal, Nitro. I mean it. Oh, really? Insaniac, a little help here? Just a second. What's up, doll? You hear me lately? Hey, clumsy. Forget the smurf head over here. Sorry. Clumsy, all right? He messed you up. Well, you didn't. I'll get you for this. Let's make a run for it. Well, hang on tight, because this is going to be a twisty ride. I hate rides, except for those vehicle moments. I didn't know you can fly. You didn't ask. But it only works if you copter me. Get back here. You hear me? Oh, look, they got a panda right over there. That's a theater. Okay, what's he doing here? I thought this is only WB property. Well, he is still. Gotcha. All right, no more games. You're mine now. Oh, really? Yes. Oh. Come and catch me if you can, Nicky. Oh, shut up and fight like a gorgon. That's what you are, aren't you? Well, yes, apparently. Insaniac, protect me. I can't fight him if I'm not that flexible. Oh, don't worry. I'll be your muscle. You'll be the brains. I'm actually the navigator. Oh, crud. What's wrong? Roger's back. Who? Oh, the bunny? Never mind him. Let's take shelter. Oh, a pup. Get off me. Watch it, I'll have your dog tag too. Oh, really? You have my cat for as well. All right, you're mine. Let's get into this house. We'll be safe in here. Great, the elevator's out of order. Let's just take a shorter distance.
What are you puppies staring at? Oh, hey, Gidget.
Okay. Get back here, Saniac and Trog. Oh, you're gonna have to catch us. Oh, look. Want a campfire? Well, not right now, because you're the bait. Ah! Oh, no, not again. Think fast. Ah! All right, let's run for it. Sir, Brick, I need help here. We're on our way. Just keep still. Mayday. Give me some spare legs. Hey, sir, look. Felonious Screw. He might be a good commando if I do say so myself. Let's get in here. Thanks for coming back for me. That's what we do. But still, my legs are burned. I need some repairs. We'll go inside there. Maybe they got some medical supplies. Hey, sir, no offense, but maybe we should recruit Drew and perhaps Dr. Nefario. No. Why not? One, he's a scoundrel. Second, he's got an ally of gorgonites with him, known as the Minions. Especially... Sir, I don't have much time. Especially when they're purple. Purple Minions? Ugh, disgusting. It's like they puked on it. Sir. Right this way. Come on, we'll get you up safe and sound. As long as we don't see any more of those yellow SpongeBob-like planktons. I don't want you to watch that series again. Okay, Repair, how you feel? I feel alright. Great. I'm surrounded by idiots. Sorry, sir. Not you. You're alright for now. I mean those other idiots. Oh, minions? I hate those things. Especially them. Oh, man. Those things are like termites. Big gremlin termites. Get that thing away from me. Back off, you abomination. Ow! Help! Hang on, I got you. Oh man, I'm so damaged. Help! And stay down, abomination. Huh? What's that? Oh, what did I miss? Thank goodness you're all right. You don't know the half of it, sir. Look. Is that a gorgonite? I don't recall any gorgonite. This one is... Hey, wait, come back. Oh, crap. Never mind him. Gorgonites don't say thank you. So now what, sir? Let's get going. As a matter of fact, let's go after him. I need some answers. Hey, you! Go away. My work here is finished. Look, I don't want any trouble. Who are you and why'd you save us? I am Flatchoo, big boss of the belch brigader. Belch brigader? What does it stand for? Farty? How, you dare question me? We belch brigades only say flatulations for an answer. Do I make myself clear? Look, commandos do whatever we communicate. It doesn't matter. I'm only... Hey, listen, no one offends my colleague but me. Now, I need some answers. Why'd you save us from that purple freakazoid over here? Because you were in danger. You're at your mercy with him. That's because I was hurt. And so was Nick. Yeah, and I tried to save him myself, but I'm still recovering. It'll take me like an hour to get fully charged. Very well. Now be gone with you. My work here is finished. I must find my tribe. And you're not the tribes I'm after. Whew. Wait a minute, what tribe? Get back here! Sir, shouldn't we trust him? I don't trust anyone except for you guys. Oh, shouldn't have. But I still want to know who that belch brigader really is. Well, whoever he is, his name's not Party. Why are you whispering? He might get offended, like that girl rabbit we once know. Don't get me started. She's still on my case, and I demand approval. All right, that's enough. Let's get to work here. Well, that was interesting. What a magnificent kingdom, full of sorceries. You know, they're starting to compare me for Frankenstein. You are, but not what I describe. I know. Archer, I have to tell you something. According to my scanner, I detect an unidentified anomaly. More commandos or Gwendy dolls? I don't know yet. Obviously Gwendy's, because I can still sense their presence from here. Then we're gonna have to keep moving, Troclocon. At least it's not a copter patrol from those commandos. Let's go inside this castle. Maybe Punch It might be in there. Right. Man, I need a back workout. So where's Insaniac? Well, he's with Slam Fist. Good. You don't need to worry about anything. Sorcering or witchcraft? Definitely sorcering. Kind of peaceful in here, I'll say. Did you say something? I didn't. Hiss at you. A serpent. Whatever serpent it is, it's not from Gorgon. Archer, help me! Hang on. Let go of him, you. I said let go, you parasite. What? Who are you? I'll explain later, but for now. Unhand him, you serpent beast. Now for the ultimate barbarian taste. Now fix him. Thank you, kind sir. Well, that takes care of him. But we should lock the serpent back to his other inhabitants. Right. Here we go. We haven't introduced ourselves, haven't we? No. But allow me. I am Flatchoo, boss of the belch brigader. Or belch brigade if you wish. Well, I'm Troclicon, navigator. And I am Archer, emissary of the gorgonites. Never heard of them. But please step this way. Are you members of the belch brigade by any chance? No, we're not. But two of my other gorgonites are still out there. But thanks for saving us. Anytime, mate. Anytime. But still, how come I never seen you around? Well, I don't remember how I got here, but all I know is that, sadly, I'm the last of my kind. You mean there's no other belch brigaders? No, frankly not, Troclicon. We should find my friends. They're still out there and somewhere in this park. Right. I'll help you find your friends. And we must hurry before those commandos come back and hunt us down. Right, mate. Right. What are commandos anyway? Sorry we're late, Archer. We got here just in time. We saw Brick Bazooka again. Yeah. And who's this guy? Never seen a gorgonite before. I am Flatchoo, boss of the belch brigade. And what does Flatchoo stand for? Farty? Yes. You hold your tongue on me? How dare you insult me? We only say flatulations for an answer. Fart is forbidden. Do I make myself understood? Good. You have to excuse Insaniac. He's a bit mischievous. Well, I distaste mischief. And the last one who called me fart was some human in some soldier gear. Wait, that was Brick Bazooka. You know him? Yeah, we just fought him earlier. Actually, for me, we fought Nick Nitro. You know, big guy with that mohawk. Make them look like Bebop and Rocksteady from here. Oh, and that other soldier with the flat top on his head. That was Major Chip Hazard, leader of the commando elites. Oh, Chip Hazard, those are those three other soldiers I have rescued earlier. Rescued? From what? From that purple abomination, of course. The purple minions? They're nasty. I know. But other than him, hey, I like you. You look like a good belch brigader warrior to me. Well, I try not to be. But do tell me, what does a belch brigader really do? Well, I'll show you. You just open your mouth, I'll inhale it, and then... There. Phew, didn't your mom ever tell you to brush your teeth once in a while? You're the one to talk with that foul smell. Flatchoo, I must warn you, those commandos are not considered veterans, but rather terrorisms. Terrorisms? But they were complaining. I know. They do have sense of honor, but they have not for us. We're saying they hunt gorgonites like you, and soon you if you're with me. I have to hide you somewhere where they can't see you near us. Oh, poppycock. A real belch brigader does not hide from an enemy line. We always fight for glory, honor, and triumph, and hunger. I don't know about you, but he's kind of delusional. He does not know that he's a prototype. Oh, and I highly doubt there's more of the belch brigades. Otherwise, he's the last one. He is. Flatchoo, you're coming with me. Can I bring Slamfist with us too? I can't right now. I gotta protect Troglodyte. You know how wounded he is. Alright, but if you ever need me, come find me. So let's try to get to know each other, Archer. Alright, follow me. Well, no sign of that big ugly red trash bag yet. You know, that's still confusing. Why are they still around if they own rights by streaming? Who cares right now? Let's just keep going. And look, we found 3 other gorgonites, but no sign of their leader. Maybe he's taking some time off. Whatever it is, let's capture them and put some ransom into it. I'll deliver it personally. You just keep them secured. But first, we need to outnumber them. There's only 3 against 3, and 2 others are missing. Let's head for studio tours. But shouldn't we keep our eye open for the commandos? Yes, because we cannot have fun forever. Oh, don't worry. Ooh, look, I found something unique over here. Like what exactly? Ooh, a DeLorean.
Just back to the other end.
Gotcha. Ah, fell for it. Yes. Ah, my hand. Somebody get it for me. I got your hand. Quick, plug it back in. Don't worry. Gotcha. Ah. Come on, crawl back into me. Right, secure, bingo. All right, who's next? Mine. Ah! Let me pull this oxygen. Ah! Gotcha. One more move, and he's boomed. Don't make me do it twice. That's right. Oh, please, I never surrender. Not this time. Damn you. Damn you to heck. Okay. Alright, I need some answers. Where's the so-called Flatchoo? Flatchoo? You mean the belch brigader? Yeah, You seen him? Yeah, we saw him earlier. Good. In that case, you're both mine. Commandos, keep them secured into the lower lot. I'll deal with those 2 myself. Because I know where to track them. You'll never stop them. Or what? This time, there will be no mercy. I'm not done yet. I can still kick your butts back wherever you came from. Oh, really? Because when we're done, we're going to create an army of more commandos somewhere in this lower lot, and nobody's going to stop us. Not even the likes of you. Ugh. Ugh. Oops. Ugh. Must break free. You're coming with me. Keep them secure. Since he's always a known good friend to him, that makes a perfect ransom. No sign of your commandos or even punch it. Wherever he is, he's somewhere in the lower lot. But I'm not sure yet. Oh, really? Gorgonite, Scum Archer, Major Chip Hazard, Chocolate Con, help me. He cut off my electric supply. Let him go. Oh, I'll let him go, all right. But I'll make you a deal. Since Universal is the place where we've been built, I want you to find Kip Killigan for me in exchange for his freedom. Who's Kip Killigan? One of the last members of the Commando Elite. The rest are misplaced. And if you don't bring him here by only 1 hour straight, I'll waste his battery. Do I make myself clear? Fine. Just don't double cross me, or I won't. How we're going to find Punch It and Kip Killigan, I'm afraid it's not possible. The rest of the commandos are destroyed, and only the fourth one is out there somewhere. But what about your friends? You cannot leave them by the hands of the commandos, and I thought they were honorable. They are still, just misguided. So should we reprogram them? I'm not sure yet, but I must stop Chip Hazard any way I can. Don't worry, brother. I'm with you to the end. Always. I'm going to need your help, Flatchoo. Don't worry, a real belch brigader never hides from battle. I always conquer it until the last one stands. I see. It's a belch brigade thing. It's talking here, Archer. I know. We have to find Insaniac somewhere in this temple. Is that where we'll find him at? Yeah. Alright. Let's get going. I think. If I was a gorgonite, what would I hide? Somewhere in specific, but in this case, he's been in prison. Back off! I got him right-handed. One false move and boom! This temple will collapse in front of you. Don't get any ideas. Oh, don't worry, I will. Don't worry, Archer. Just worry about Slam Fist and Chocolate Con for a moment. I'll get us out of here. Come back here. Oh, I try to be a good acquaintance, but you, however, have no honor. Oh, yes, we do. Just haven't seen it yet. Gesundheit. You better watch out because you're about to get screamed out. What's up? Alright, Gorgonites, you're going down. I'll see about that. And you're forgetting one thing. What? I'm no Gorgonite. I'm a belch brigader. Bongs away. Well, that takes care of that. Hurry, we must find Slam Fist and Chocolate Con. Okay, last thing I remember was that Slam Fist is somewhere in the Jurassic period and Chocolate Con is, in the Cybertron period. And that's where we'll start. Alright, let's get going, shall we? Looks like we're heading for Jurassic World. That's where we'll find Slam Fist, somewhere in this designated area. Well, let's hurry up because I don't know how longer. There's some dinos on the loose. Precisely. Come on. We'll get going. I love this music. This is how belch brigaders are supposed to drum our rhythms into full battle. Okay, I really need to get to know you. You will. The sooner we save Signpost, the better we'll save Troclicon. Hopefully we do. Let's hope nothing terrible has come to this outcome. I smell blood. It's not a good sign. So do I. We'll keep you secure until we get Kip Killigan, then we'll kill you. You don't want to kill me, Slam Fist friend. That's what they all say. I can't risk any more lives. Nick Nitro, what's your status? They escaped, sir. We still got 2 more. I'm gonna head for the nest base anytime soon. Sir, there's something you need to know. What is it? One of the Jurassic Parks accidentally, well, what? Yikes! What kind of dinosaur is that? It's not in biology. Oh no. I hate those things. You do? Much worse than I hate. Ah! What the? Ah! Help! Somebody help me! Hang on, I'll save you. Right after I deal with this thing first. Want a piece of me? Take that. Oh. Insaniac. I let him out even though it's a big mistake, but they'll clean up the mess. Good. Trocliclon's in the nest base. We must find him quickly. Don't worry, I'm on the way. But Archer's not gonna be happy for unleashing the beast. Yeah, I know it's a big mistake. But let's get going, shall we? Hang on, sir. Hey, eyes off. Thanks. But never mind me. We got a safe brick. Look, Destorios Rex. Thought it was a classified project. Well, it is now. Come. Help, sir. Get off of me. All right, that's it. There's blood in your eye. What is that thing, sir? Whatever it is, I wish it was extinct. Starting with him. Look. I don't know how to handle these creatures. No, but I know one commando who does, except he's no commando. Engine soldiers, by any chance? Yeah, something like that. You know, I kind of like Land of Before Time better than Jurassic Park because this one's a cute movie and a good reason. I still find as a knock. All right, that's it. No one picks on my friends on my watch. Take that. All right, that's it. I need a. This might come in handy. Hey, lizard, bug off. See how you like getting chewed up and ripped into pieces. Take that. And stay out. Hope we'll never see this guy again anytime soon. Good work, Brick. Whew. That was a close one. I don't know what's worse, sir. The Dominus or Distorso. Well, one dino I really hate the most is the Indoraptor. But come on, let's get out of this Land Before jungle. Frankenstein before any of us gets chewed out. Right, sir. Are you alright, Troclicon? I will be, but thanks for finding me. They gave Insaniac a time, but even against my will. Come on, let's go. We're too late. Great. It's always two gorgonites and one trash bag. I'm not a trash bag, in case you haven't got to know me better. We must stop them. Commandos, move out. After the gorgonites. What's that? Hey, sir, I kind of feel chilly and kind of mighty. What's happening? They must have touched the Allspark. It brings them power. Gorgonites after them. And you too, Flatchoo. I'm a gorgonite now? Yes. Commandos, we're gonna turn this base into our own base. Now we're talking. I never felt so powerful before in my life. I got super strength. I got sonic shard launchers on my mohawk, and better yet, laser eyes. Gorgonites will be eliminated. Commandos, attack! We must stop them. How do we stop them? I'm not sure yet. We need to remove the Allspark, which will be tricky. Well, three of us is impossible.
Do not lower your left restraint until everyone in your row is seated. And keep arms and legs clear of evac door.
You forgot to remind me about their eyewear?
First, I was saying a silent prayer for their safety.
Okay, thanks.
Gorgonite scums, you're dead meat. Ha! Take this.
Hold on to the battle strength at all times.
Commandos forever. We got you as soon as we can, Archer. Yeah, what's this all about? Major Chip Hazard has absorbed Cybertronian. That makes him unstoppable, but I'm still curious about it. Don't get too close. Who knows what this Allspark can do to us? The best thing we can do is rip it off before he grows stronger. Any ideas? Well, frankly not, but there's a lot of commandos, Cybertronian commandos, and other gorgonites that we may not recruit. We'll take our chances. Then let's move. I feel so powerful. Oh, really? Stay back, or else what? You're gonna get vaporized. Oh, really? You're about to get... Don't worry, Archer, we're coming. All right, Insaniac, you're mine. Hey, Slammy, you're about to get punched. Oh, punch it, I will, if he was there. I'm gonna rip that off of you. Come back here, I'm not done with you yet. Okay, I gotta find some ammo. Somewhere where there's ammo. It's too high for me. Forget it, the ammo's in me. All right, that's it. This is not Globotech style. Not anymore. I'm all Cybertronium now. Oh. And this time, there will be no mercy for you all. Oh. Flatchoo. I can bypass it. Hurry. Flaps. I got it, Archer. And yet, it looks beautiful. All right, good. Now destroy it. Flatchoo, what are you waiting for? The Allspark contains power. With it, I can reunite with the Belch Brigade. Whatever you're doing, don't do it. It's not what you think it is. Must wear it for my own. I become the mighty belch brigader, Flatchoo. Now join me. Together we'll eliminate the commando elites and everyone, starting with those. No, we cannot destroy humans. They're not mean us no harm. You dare question my strategy? Flatchoo, this isn't you, it's the Allspark. I am what the Allspark has gave me. Starting with you. Oh no. Belch Brigaders, unite your sparks. And now we got ourselves a new army right in front of my noses. No longer. I'm sorry, Archer. I thought you knew better. But now, I'll never again leave my tribe. Flatchoo, don't listen to the spark. It's using you. Oh, is it? I don't think so. Have fun. Eliminate your nemesis. Belch Brigaders, we are going home right up north to Belch Brigadeland. Sir, yes, sir. As you wish, master. Must fight, but I must serve. New leader, huh? So long, Chip, and forgive us. Oh, what happened? Major Chip Hazard, don't touch me. Where are my commandos? They're under Flatchoo's control, but it's not his fault, it's the Allspark. Allspark? I don't remember. It must have wiped your memories after you absorbed it first. But now it's absorbing him. What kind of Allspark did he took exactly? I'm afraid it might be Decepticon use, and that's not good. These things are bad. He could have got the Autobot Allspark. No. We have to get it off of him before he destroys everything what's left in Universal. Will you help me? I'm gonna regret this in my career, but alright, where do we start? They're heading to Nintendo World. He thinks it's his home world of Belch Brigadeland. Alright. We'll do it together for the Gorgonites and for the Commando Elite. Let's move out. So, Gorgonite scum, it's Archer, whatever. But we're still not friends, but I am helping you to get my friends back. I'm not gonna lose another soldier. If you do care about them, then why you keep praising no mercy in your priority? That's for the Gorgonites' mercy, not the Commandos. It's just the way things are. Now help me focus. We gotta find Brick and Slam. They're right there. Intruders! I'm sorry, Archer. I must do what my new master has commanded me. And I thought you were my friend, so sorry to do this, but... Alright, you know how to fight bazooka and slam fist? Well, bazooka, yes. Then let's do what you have practiced. Alright, bongs away. And they still got Cybertronians. Too bad I don't have that anymore because it brainwashed me. I know. Coming for you, Shrek. You dare punch me? Wait a second. I remember this game Alan once played. Look, this is no time for a video game experience. No, seriously. Look around you, Major Chip Hazard. Oh, yeah. All right. You get the fire, I'll get the mushroom. Right. Got it. Who needs Cybertronium when you got Nintendo World? Now I'm big. All right. They're going down. Oh. Oh. There, that's it, the spot. Ah! Nice try. Oh, great. Now you're mine. Ah! On fire! I'm on fire! I'm on... Ah! Oh, what happened, sir? How did I get to Nintendo World? Long story, but I'll explain later. But for now, we gotta find Nick Nitro and Troclicon, and yet Insaniac. But where are they? They're up inside the castle. Are you alright? I'm alright. I don't remember how I... You've been infected by Cybertronian, but it's a Decepticon one. Uh-oh. Exactly. Let's move out. Hey, sir. After that, how about some lasagna? All right, fine. Better than eliminating the last of the gorgonites. Let's move out. Woohoo! Nice crystals. But tell me again why we're out here. We need to find Troclicon and Nick Nitro, wherever they are in this stalactite caverns. So how long have you and Archie been together? Well, he's always been my friend. He never let me down, like you to Chip. Yeah, bestest friends. At least that's the commando way. I thought you commandos have no mercy. We don't. But I do want to get even with that big red pimple warthog over here. Flatchoo, he's never done mad before in my life. Well, he hasn't. Intruder, select. Troclicon, it's me, your friend. We are not friends, at least not anymore. Better watch out. That ain't good. The Cybertronian's making them stronger. That's right. Traitor. You should know better than to work for a commando and gorgonite. Well, we're calling a truce, but I am trying to save you, buddy. I lost you once, I'm not gonna lose you again. You're what's all that matters to me. Come and get me. I'm kind of like this ammo already. Quite precisely. How do we stop them? Well, he did told us we always need a plan B. Luckily for me, I got the fire and I got the mushroom. Heads up, flame on. Hey, what happened? You've been brainwashed. I have? I don't remember. But I must warn you, all I remember last time was he said something that he's in this castle. Ladies first. Don't get me started with ladies. But let's get going. Right. Oh, and thanks for removing the sparks away from me. Creepy castle. Sure he's not a belch brigader? That's Bowser. I was just joking. At least not fully. We might as well gather as much weapons as we can. Who knows how powerful he is? And here I thought he was your friend. He saved your life first, when you were almost anticipated by those purple minions. I know, and I didn't even have a chance to say thank you. Let's hurry up. This place is giving me the creeps. Creepy, are we? Well, you should be afraid, because I'm the king of the belch brigades. Flatchoo, you don't have to do this. Don't get me started. Insaniac, eliminate the nuisance. Yes, sir. Now you see why I hate gorgonites, because he's psychotic. He's mischievous is all I know. Hi, Archie. Looks like we got a new predecessor or change of course, or what is it? Management. Oh, new management. Yes. 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 Look at me, I got bombs all over me. Get down. Great, thanks for saving my life back there. All right, you say Insaniac, I'll deal with Flatchoo myself. Be careful, he's no harm. All right, fine, I'll do it. After that, we're enemies. Correct? Deal. Insaniac. I don't want to do this to you, but... All right, Flatchoo, it's just you and me. Oh, Chip, I saved you a block, and this is how you repay me? I must warn you, I have 1,000 words of belching.
The next room is to teach you how to play this game. You can win and
I'm on fire. Hey, what happened? The Cybertronian. Now we have one left. Flatchoo. I'll crush you like a bug. I prefer chips if you want to eat me up. Oh, eating is what I do best. Well, have some punch. Mark my words, the belch brigades will be reinstated. We will live. I hate to tell you this, but your new reinforcements have turned on you again. What? You heard me. We crushed all the Allsparks that you possessed. No! That's right. You don't have to do this. Oh, really, Archer? You are my friend. I am your friend. It's the spark that's not your ally. You're not tough without your cross. Got your arm. Alright, what are you doing? You're finished. You think that's the end of him? I hope so. Let's get him out of here. Where am I? What happened? You're fine. Did we win? In a matter of speaking. Oh, Chibaza, who are you? It's alright. He means us no harm, for now. Let's just say we're calling this a truce. Maybe a 5-month head start. 5-month head start. It's a soldier's honor. But even though we don't see each other eye to eye, but I salute you for saving my troops. Yeah, thanks. I could have been a zombie if it weren't for you. You still are, sometimes. Yeah. Well, at least we're back to normal as well. Yeah, I never thought I'd turn myself into a bad guy all of a sudden. Well, you do bad things, only to a wrong era. Does that mean I've done something bad too? It wasn't your fault. It was the fragment of the Allspark, or at least what's left in it. So I'm cured. Yes. Well, now that we're done, we're going our separate ways now. So does that mean we're not gonna hunt down the gorgonites? Well, not yet, but we will give them a head start. But for now, we should be more focusing on one thing in our minds. What's that, sir? We gotta find Kip Killigan. That way we're complete. And maybe, just maybe, how's Gwendy's fine with you? Oh, you better believe it. I love the ladies. And the ladies love me. That's if you didn't give them a creepy impression. Well, let's go home. I think our work here is finished. Not yet. Home is all I need to hear. Come on, Gorgonites. We're leaving. But what about the commandos? Are they gonna, if they return back to their original processors, this time we'll have a fair fight. Well, we belch brigaders. What am I kidding? I'm the last of my kind. I'm lonely, and I hate being lonely. So I feel like we want to adopt him. Would you like to come home with us? Come home? We'll take good care of you, Flatchoo, even if you can't find your clan, more than we won't find the rest of it of our own. If you promise not to say fart for an answer, cross my heart and hope to cry. You better not double cross me. Go easy on him. Don't worry, Flatchoo. I'll be your friend. Can I be an honorary belch brigader? Can you belch? Not really. Well, we'll give it a shot soon, my friend. Because you're my new best friend. Oh, thank you.